Battery boost, Fairmont Lethbridge. Dead battery in Fairmont. Maybe outside Save-On Foods, Home Depot, or along Mayor McGrath Drive. Don't worry, we'll have you started in no time. At 587 Roadside Assistance, we're your local battery boost professionals, always nearby when you need us most. No travel fees, faster service, and a team that knows Fairmont like home. We specialize exclusively in safe, dependable battery boosts, available 24/7 anywhere in Fairmont. When your car refuses to start, skip the search for battery help near me. Call 587 Roadside Assistance Lethbridge, trusted by your Fairmont neighbors. Call now, 587-800-1312, or visit www.587roadsideassistance.com. Your local battery boost specialists, proudly serving Fairmont, Lethbridge,